Hi, Cecil up here, Precision Rifle. We're here today to show you how to determine the diameter of threads that you need for your NEF muzzleloader to replace the breech plug. We offer two different sizes. This is a 7/8 diameter. This is a 5/8 diameter. And we get a lot of people who order the wrong size. So we're going to just show you quickly with a tape measure how to determine the size that you require for your gun. It is not serial number and is not year specific, so you really need to take your breech plug out and measure across the threads. So we're going to get in closer here. We're going to show you exactly how we do it. Okay, this is just an everyday tape measure, and here's the 7/8 diameter and here's the 5/8 diameter. Now it's pretty simple when you have both of them side by side, but unfortunately most people at home don't have that luxury. So here's what you need to do. You need to take the breech plug out of your gun, and you need to take the breech plug, and let's use the 6-inch reference line as a starting point. So you're going to take the breech plug here and you're going to move it over until you can just see the 6-inch line, and then you'll see that the other side of the breech plug comes 1/8 of an inch short of the 7-inch line. So this then would mean that that's 7/8 of an inch. Now by contrast, we'll take the 5/8, we'll put it back on the 6-inch mark, same as before. And by rolling it back, you'll see this is the 1/2-inch line, and you'll see that your breech plug comes just past the 1/2-inch line. So then this is a 5/8 diameter breech plug that you would require. So pretty straightforward, 7/8, 5/8. Thanks for watching.